how to manage front page users in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to manage front page users. Scroll down. Click the FP Frontpage Webadmin icon here. This is the main front page admin site where you can manage front page users, user roles, and subwebs. Let's go ahead and learn about managing front page users. Click Manage Users. By default, there is always one user set up for front page with administrator privileges, administrator role. Let's go ahead and add another user. Click the Add a User link. Scroll down. Enter a username and password for this new user. Now select the user role appropriate for the level of access you wish to grant this new user. Then click Add User. That's it. The new user we just created is now listed here. You can also edit a user's properties on this page, change password, change user role by clicking the user name. Or you can delete existing users. Let's do that now. Click here to select the user to delete. Then click Delete Selected Users. Click here to confirm you want to delete the user. Success! We've just deleted the user we created earlier. Close this window to return to the Plesk main window. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage front page users in Plesk's FP Webadmin. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.